Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the most popular Ghanaian party starters, peppered gizzard and sausage. This dish is spicy, flavorful and so delicious. You will keep going back for more. This dish is all you need, trust me. All you have to do is to watch this video to the end and make a choice. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efya. Do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. First, I begin with my gizzard. Gizzard usually has some tough skin and inner lining, so make sure to wash everything off very nicely, okay? Once it's nicely clean, I'll season it with some aromat allspice blend, and also I'll add some aromat chicken seasoning. This seasoning powder, trust me, will elevate the taste of this meat very well, so go grab yours. It's very affordable as well. Now let's go in with some meat seasoning powder and a little bit of salt to taste. Add enough water to cook this gizzard very well. Stir well to combine and allow it to steam properly on medium heat until it's nice and tender. Don't forget as well to keep an eye on it and check from time to time. Now, whilst that is going on, I want to also use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so the gizzard has been cooking for about 20 minutes now and it's looking absolutely perfect. It's super soft right now, so all that is left is for us to remove it, and I will also keep it in a strainer to strain out any excess stock or water, okay? And once that is done, we will proceed by frying. Next, we're going to heat a good amount of oil in a frying pan on medium high. You want the oil hot enough to sizzle when the gizzard hits it, but not smoking, okay? Now let's fry the gizzard until they turn golden and the edges get a little crisp. This frying step gives that lovely contrast. Soft inside, slightly crunchy outside. When the gizzard is almost ready, I'll add my chopped sausage pieces right into the same pan so they fry together, and the sausage will pick up that flavor from the gizzard, and trust me, it's going to be the best combo ever. Try this and thank me later. Now that the gizzard is ready, let's add in the sausage. As I said, we're going to fry everything together until everything is well fried. So we're going to fry until the sausage is slightly brown and everything smells amazing. Once everything is nice and ready, I will remove the fried meat and set it aside on a paper towel or any strainer that you have, and drain any excess oil. We keep this aside because the pepper sauce cooks fast and we want the meat to stay crisp until the end. At this point, don't forget as well to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done that yet, and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much. Now we move to the pepper mix. I'll blend some green pepper, green pakosheto, red pepper, scallions, onions, and also some natural herbs, which is some coriander, bay leaves, rosemary, and fennel seed. I will blend everything together off camera. Next, in a frying pan, I've already added in some cooking oil and it's already heating up. I'll pour in the blended pepper. Fry the pepper mix on medium heat. This is important. Fry until the pepper changes color and the raw watery smell goes away. You will see the pepper gets darker, the oil starts to separate a little bit. That tells you the water content is reducing and the flavor is concentrating. Stir continuously so it doesn't burn. Okay, now as soon as the pepper changes to color like this, you know your pepper mix is almost done. So all that is left is for us to go in with some seasoning. In my case, I'm going to be using aromat shrimp seasoning and also a little bit of aromat chicken seasoning. You can feel free to use any seasoning of your choice and also adjust everything to your taste as well. Add a little salt to taste, stir everything together, fry the pepper a little more after seasoning so the flavors marry. About 2 to 3 minutes should be okay. If this is your first time stopping by, I call out to you all. Thank you, and please do subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Now it's time for us to add in the fried gizzard and sausage into the pepper mix. Stir well so the spices are coated. And I also go ahead and add some vegetables as well, which is some green pepper, onions, and also some carrots, but I forgot to add the carrots now. I'll add it later. Okay, now to get a very glossy clean sauce, then I mix some cornstarch together with some meat stock, or the meat stock I got from the Gizzard, and also a little bit of dark soy sauce. So this is going to thicken up the sauce or the starter. You can omit it totally, but trust me, it has an amazing taste and an unforgettable aroma which you don't need to skip. So try it and thank me later. Now the sauce will thicken up fast, so lower the heat to low and let it simmer for a few minutes and it should be ready. Now this is the time I remember that I should have added in my carrot. Trust me, sometimes cooking can be some way but remove. And do you see that beautiful color combination right there? It's looking absolutely perfect, and the aroma in here is giving what it's supposed to give. Now taste and adjust seasoning at this point. Give it a final toast on low heat so everything is nice and well coated. Add lime for brightness or use butter for that extra gloss, and you are good to go. And that is it, my peppered gizzard and sausage fried to crisp, simmering in a flavorful pepper sauce and finished with a silky cornstarch glaze. Try it at home and tell me how yours turn out. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Efya for more Ghanaian recipes. Trust me, I enjoyed mine with some fried yam. I already have the recipe on my channel. I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. Trust me, it is heavenly. So do try it and thank me later. Thank you once again and see you in my next upload. Bye.